Forget tourist traps. This is the real Jamaica. Today we're kicking off day 14 of our 30-day adventure across Jamaica. So, here's the backstory. I met Martin, a tour bus driver, at the Luminous Lagoon. He was dropping off tourists, and we just started chatting. Good vibes all around. When I told him about my 30-day mission to uncover the real Jamaica, he said, "When you touch down in Montego Bay, I'll show you around." And true to his word, when I rolled into town, I gave him a call, and he pulled right up. First stop, a place that blew my mind, the Rockland Bird Sanctuary. Now I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't sure what to expect. But this place is a beautiful and peaceful garden where birds just flock to be fed by people. They give you a little bottle with sugar water and some bird feed, and next thing you know, these tiny birds are just coming right to you to feed. The first time it happened, I actually jumped a little. But then, I just settled in and let the magic happen. It was truly an enchanting experience. After getting our fill of our feathered friends, Martin took me to a place I never even knew existed, the St. James Anglican Church. And this isn't just any church. This is a serious piece of history. It's become a major landmark in Montego Bay. It's one of the oldest Anglican churches around, established way back in 1775. That's 250 years old. Our guide, Mr. Norman, gave us the full rundown on its history.
One of the oldest Anglican church, established in 1775. So we are now in our 250th year. The furnitures inside here are all handcrafted. These are made up our own Jamaican wood, which is solid mahogany.
They still use the original mahogany furniture, the organ, and even a 200-year-old key. We tried to open a 200-year-old lock with that ancient key. We couldn't. Then, we headed over to Sam Sharpe Square, the place where the monument honoring Sam Sharpe, one of Jamaica's national heroes, stands tall. He is the one holding the Bible, and Nanny from the Maroons is sitting to his right. I actually missed the tour guide who's usually there, but I still got to take some awesome videos and pics and learn all about Sam Sharpe. He was the brave soul who led the Christmas Rebellion in 1831 to 32. Also known as the Baptist War. The square itself was once a site for slave auctions. Now it's a powerful place of remembrance, a reflection of Jamaica's long journey to freedom. This square was actually renamed in 1976 to honor Sam Sharpe. It was a major spot for the Christmas Rebellion, where enslaved people, led by Sam Sharpe, protested for their freedom and better working conditions. You can even see the cages there, small brick buildings that were originally used to lock up unruly sailors, vagrants, and enslaved people. And the old Civic Center, which used to be the courthouse, built in 1803, was where all the trials for those involved in the rebellion, including Sam Sharpe, took place. And before we wrapped up this history-packed day, Martin even showed me the Reggae Wall of Fame. It's this incredible wall covered in paintings of all the prominent Jamaican music artists from way back to now. And this is where the annual Sumfest reggae concert is held yearly. What a day, right? Montego Bay truly has so much more than just beautiful beaches. It's got history, nature, and so much heart.